Hello friends, today we are discussing about some practical unit for the length measurements. We know that the SI unit of length measurement is meter. But in the universe we come across various objects which having a size varies from 10 raised to minus 14 meter to 10 raised to 26 meter. To measure this wide range of length, we are using some other practical units other than our meter. Let us see what are the practical units which are using for the length measurements. Here we told you that in the universe we have the objects having size in the order of 10 raised to 14 meter. Usually the size of the nucleus is come in the order of 10 raised to minus 14 meter, and it extended up to 10 raised to 26 meter. We want to measure the size of the universe or size of the galaxies which is extended up to 10 raised to 26 meter. This is a wide range of measurement actually. So if you are using meter for this measurement, it is very difficult to express a length measurement. It is in the order of 10 raised to 26 in meter. So instead of this meter, for this practical purpose, for the measurement of very small length and for the measurement of very large length, we are using some other practical units. Here we have some very smaller unit for the length measurement. Let us see what are the very small unit which are using for the length measurement. Here Fermi is a very small unit for the length measurement. 1 Fermi is equal to 10 raised to minus 15 meter. 1 Fermi is equal to 10 raised to minus 15 meter. It's a too small unit, usually using for the measurement of atomic size or nuclear size. 10 raised to 1 Fermi, 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Another smaller unit for the length measurement, Armstrong. The symbol for the Armstrong is 1 Armstrong. This is the symbol for the Armstrong. And 1 Armstrong is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. 1 Armstrong is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Usually very small wavelength of some radiations are measured by using this unit known as Armstrong. 1 Armstrong is numerically equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Then another smaller unit is nanometer. We people are familiar with this term nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 9 meter. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Another smaller unit for the length measurement is micrometer. You can also call it as micron, micrometer. 1 micrometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Usually the thickness of small plastic carry bag all are measuring in this unit, micrometer. 1 micrometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Then we have centimeter, that's very familiar unit, centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Then another millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. These are some of the very common smaller unit for the length measurements. Now we have some other unit, practical unit, for the measurement of very large length. Let us see what are the some practical units which are using for the measurement of very large distance or very large length. Out of this, the first unit is astronomical unit. Astronomical unit. One astronomical unit is defined like this way. It is the average distance of the sun from earth. One astronomical unit is numerically equal to 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. If you want, you can approximately write it as 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meter. Can also take 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meter. Approximately one astronomical unit can memorize like this: 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meter. What is one astronomical unit? One astronomical unit is the average distance of sun from earth. Usually this unit is using for the measurement of distance between the celestial objects. To measure the distance between the some heavenly bodies, that is celestial object, we are using this astronomical unit. Okay. Then the second one is a familiar unit, light year. One light year is defined as, see the definition, is the distance travelled by the light in vacuum with a velocity of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. You know, the velocity of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So, the light year is the distance travelled by the light in vacuum with a velocity of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second in 1 year. Let us calculate that value. How to calculate that value? Is numerically equal to 9.46 into 10 raised to 15 meter. We know that in 1 second light will travel a distance of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter. In 1 second, light will travel a distance of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter. So, let us calculate how many seconds are there in 1 year. It is the distance travelled by light in 1 year. So, in 1 second, light will travel a distance of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter. So, to calculate what is the distance in 1 year, we just multiply by how many seconds in 1 year. How many seconds in 1 year? We have 60 seconds in 1 minute. Is it? 60 seconds in 1 minute. And 60 minutes in 1 hour. What do you calculate this? This is the distance travelled by light in 1 hour. This is in 1 minute. 1 minute into 60, that's 1 hour. Then in 1 day there are 24 hours. So this is the distance of the light during 1 day. This is the distance travelled by the light during 1 day into 365, into approximately 365 days are there in 1 year. So if you are calculating this value, this numerically equal to 9.46 into 10 raised to 15 meter. That is the distance travelled by the light during 1 year, known as light year. This unit is using for the measurements of distance between the stars. Interstellar distance are usually measured in light year. Distance travelled by light in 1 year is known as light year. And see, the biggest unit of length measurement is known as parsecond. Is an abbreviation of parallactic second, parsecond. The parsecond is defined as is the radius of an arc of length 1 astronomical unit. Remember, this is the value of 1 astronomical unit. If you have an arc of length, see, if you have an arc of length, like this is an arc, suppose this is an arc of length 1 astronomical unit. Suppose this is an arc of 1 astronomical unit. What is arc? Is a part of a circle. So, it's an arc of length 1 astronomical unit, and suppose the radius of this arc meet or subtend at a point at a very small angle 1 second. You know what is 1 second? 1 second is an angle that is 1 by 3600 of a degree. What is 1 second? It is 1 by 3600 of a degree. Too small angle. If an arc of 1 astronomical unit meet at an angle 1 second, then these are the radius of this arc. This radius will be 1 parsecond. Is it? That 1 parsecond is actually can be defined like this way. It is a radius of an arc. It is a radius of an arc of 1 astronomical unit. No, what is 1 astronomical unit? 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. 1 astronomical unit. Okay. Subtend at an angle 1 second. Then the radius length is 1 parsecond. So it is the biggest unit for the length measurement, and 1 parsecond is numerically equal to 3.08 into 10 raised to 16 meter. This is the 10 raised to 16 meter. 1 parsecond is equal to 3.08 into 10 raised to 16 meter. These are the some of the common practical units for the length measurements. Thank you.